Good morning from Malta. Today is our final day here. The flight leaves tonight, so we're going to make the most out of the day. We're up early and we're going to start the day with hiking up to this church on top of the hill. So let's head out there. Okay, we're on our way to the church and we found a pedestrian track that's not marked on the map. But there's a tunnel and we hope that this leads to the church. So yeah, we're going to check it out. We made it to the church on the top of the hill. Behind me here you have an amazing view over the sea. You can also see Comino and Gozo over there. Yeah, so an amazing view from the top here of the church in Mellieha. We are now waiting for the bus to get to the Blue Grotto. So yeah, we're heading there now. After a long bus ride, we have made it to the Blue Grotto. We are traveling with our suitcases here, so it makes it a bit harder, but yeah, we're going to go and check out the view now. We have made our way down to the harbour and the waterfront here close to the Blue Grotto. We have bought the boat tickets and they cost €8 per person. The boat ride takes roughly 20 to 25 minutes, so now we're just waiting to jump on the boat and get close to the Blue Grotto. We're now back at the airport after a lovely day here in Malta. We are now about to board the plane, and yeah, it's been so much fun traveling with my sister, and I hope that we have many trips yet to come. So yeah, we're going back home to Sweden, and I'll see you next time.